Hi buddy, welcome back to answersQ. In this video, we'll be seeing some free live online workshops that are offered by Eduonix platform. So before we see what are those workshops and how you can register for it, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out. And just a small update about Coursera Plus here. I hope you all know about Coursera. It's a very good e-learning platform where you can get courses from top companies and universities like Google, Stanford University, Duke University. So if you are looking to buy any course or specialization from Coursera, you can go for Coursera Plus monthly plan, because with this you can save a lot of money compared to buying individual courses, and you will get access to the entire Coursera platform. You can access over 3000 plus courses, projects, specializations, professional certification programs, everything that you want. So make use of this offer, and if you want to support me in any way, you can just make use of my link which I have given in description and take Coursera Plus monthly subscription. So now let us move on and see the free online workshops that are offered by Eduonix. So first one is live training on learning MongoDB best design principles. So this workshop will be conducted on 23rd of November 2021 from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. IST, that is Indian Standard Time Zone. So if you are watching this video anywhere outside of India, just convert this time to your local time zone. And your instructor for this particular MongoDB workshop will be Mr. Vasudev, who is actually a professional software engineer working in one of the largest healthcare platform in India. So these workshops will always be offered by, it will be taken by professionals who have real world work experience. So make use of it. And now let's see what you will be learning from him in this particular MongoDB workshop. So you will get to learn about schema design, data modeling, data relationships, the differences between relational and NoSQL databases. So at the end of this workshop, you will learn how to pick the right database for your backend design. So these are the exact concepts which you'll be learning in this particular workshop. And after the workshop has been completed, you can also get the PPT which the instructor will be using in that particular workshop. So you will also get that PPT. So this is the first one. Next one is learning implementation of React and use of hook. So this online workshop will be conducted on 25th of November 2021 from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST. So this is a 1 hour online workshop, and your instructor for this particular workshop will be Mr. Aditya Dua, who is a experienced professional in the field of application development. And let's see what you'll be learning in this workshop. So you will learn about building your own custom hooks. You will learn about the rules of the hooks. You will learn about reusable code in React, front-end application development, and you will also learn how to implement and run a test on your application. So you will get to learn about all these different concepts given here in this workshop. So this is the second one, and the third one is how to kickstart your career in digital marketing. So this free live online training will be given on 20th November 2021 from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. IST. So this is also a 1 hour online workshop which you can take for free, and you will get to learn about digital marketing from experienced professional in the field of marketing, Aarti. She has a lot of experience, so that will be very beneficial to you if you are looking to jump into digital marketing. So you'll get to learn how you can make a career out of digital marketing, and whether you should take it or not, what are the benefits, what are the pros and cons, everything will be discussed. And you'll also learn about making passive income out of it, and you'll get to learn about the trending digital marketing techniques and tools. So these are the different things which will be covered in this particular online workshop. So now to register for these workshops, just click on free sign up here and create your account in Eduonix platform. And once you are logged in, just scroll down on this page and click on this enroll now button, proceed further, and you will be automatically enrolled in the workshop. It's a simple process. So I hope you'll find this video useful. If you want to get more updates about free online workshops like these, or internships, or any other online courses, you can just subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.